Hello my people, this is Screen for God channel. When you are first time coming into this channel, please subscribe, share, like and put the notification bell on all the time. You know my people, I always bring you a good news. This good news that is happening in Anambra. You see what is happening in Anambra? A lot of shooting happened in Anambra today. This was happened today, but I cannot bring the video out because the shooting is too much. This shooting is too much. You know, the governor of Anambra was spoke today that all this shooting here and there, people running to one scared, it cannot stop this. This it cannot stop. For them bringing in military coming in to be start shooting, killing people here and then, it cannot stop this nonsense that is happening in Anambra. And you know, the governor of Anambra was calling the IPOP and the unknown government that he will talk to them that they should sit on the table, they should talk about what is going on in Anambra. And the what is it called, the unknown government saying that they cannot sit with the governor of Anambra, that they don't want election to be held in Anambra. And the governor saying that why you don't want the election to be held in Anambra. And the unknown government saying that why you people are talking about president now? Why you people are talking about election now? When Nnamdi Kanu was arrested, he was staying in the custody of DSS in Abuja, and you people are talking about how to do your election. And the unknown government he replied back that your election can never hold in Anambra. Not only Anambra, all the Biafra land, it will never hold. No matter when you people bring a lot of military coming in, most of them will be dying, or they burn all their car, everything will be burning. There's nothing you people can do except you release Nnamdi Kanu. And the governor of Anambra was trying to say that okay, if you want Nnamdi Kanu to be arrested, to be released, all of you have to sit on the table. And the unknown government saying, reply back that no, they are not going to sit on the table with no one, that they don't have anything to sit with nobody on the table, that what is going on, that they should release Nnamdi Kanu immediately, in fact, and they should free all the Biafra land. Without that, there's no peace for them. There will not be peace. Even though they bring 1 million of military to the Biafra land, all of them they will wipe off. That there's nothing they can do. But people are wondering that who is this unknown government? Because unknown government have been coming in, they have been coming in most all the time. They will do everything and they will disappear. They will never say who is the unknown government. And people will not know what is going on. And the governor, even though the governor was confused, totally confused what is going on in the old city of Anambra. You know, if you look what is going on in that Anambra, you can see Ifeanyi Ejiofor, he want to do the campaign, he want to do election campaign. He have to run down to Lagos State to go and do the campaign, which I don't know what that one is doing. People are talking about Nnamdi Kanu, he is doing campaign. Campaign cannot help anything. It cannot help any situation what is going on in Anambra for now. That is why people should wake up from whatever they were doing. They should wake up from their slumbish. All this sleeping that they have been sleeping since all these days, they should stop sleeping. And if you are new in this platform, please share it, like it, and put my notification bell on all the time. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? At the same time. As I was saying, my brother, my sister, and the government of Anambra was trying to say that, okay, what he is going to do now is going to make a call to the president that they should leave Nnamdi Kanu. Maybe they should just sit on the table ground, that they should negotiate how they're going to release Nnamdi Kanu. And unknown government say until you people release Nnamdi Kanu, there will not be a peace in Biafra land. There will not be a peace in Biafra land. That they should let all the Biafra people to go. If the Biafra people can go, there will be a peace in the whole country. Why can't you just separate the country? Why can't you just separate Biafra out of Nigeria so that they can go, so that the peace can reign? And the Anambra government saying that, okay, you will see what they can do. And That is all for now. If you are new in this platform, please subscribe and share. Bye-bye.